2:30 a.m. The boardwalk in Ocean City, Maryland, largely deserted. Current forecasts still show Hurricane Earl passing this area well offshore early Friday morning. Just hours ago, some here ignoring the wind and waves dangerously close to the water.
I'm on vacation. Me and my wife, we came down.
Others, like Jose Rivera, say they aren't taking any chances.
A little frightened, so we're just going to head back to be, on the safe side. So, we were going to stay the whole weekend, but I don't think it's going to happen.
Now, hotels like mine here along the Atlantic Ocean say they're getting lots of telephone calls about the conditions, but very few cancellations so far. They're also doing what they can to make sure everyone has the very latest weather information. The first thing you see when you turn on your television set in any of these hotel rooms is a hurricane watch notice, including all the pertinent weather information. As for Jose Rivera's intentions,
and just stay safe. Just go ahead and keep everybody safe and the family safe.
On your side, reporting from Ocean City, Maryland, I'm Ted Cortan, News Channel 5.